Captain Joe was a gallant man on the Inter-Island Steamer Express. He sailed wherever a sailor can on the Inter-Island Steamer Express. Port Nick to Littleton, back to Port Nick, so many times that it's made him sick. But when summer comes he will sail to Picton on the Inter-Island Steamer Express. Captain Joe leans over the rail of the Inter-Island Steamer Express. At 7:45 he's due to sail on the Inter-Island Steamer Express. No matter if the southerly busters blow, no matter if the glass hits an all-time low, or the company manager's down below on the Inter-Island Steamer Express. The passengers were gay as only passengers could be on the Inter-Island Steamer Express, as they queued for their biscuits, cheese and tea on the Inter-Island Steamer Express. The manager found the smoke room hot, so he called for whiskey, a double tot, but a very small single was all that he got on the Inter-Island Steamer Express. The wind blew hard and the waves rolled high round the Inter-Island Steamer Express. The manager was sure that he was going to die on the Inter-Island Steamer Express. The passengers had to hang on tight as the water put out the masthead light. But Joe turned over and said good night to the Inter-Island Steamer Express. The morning found them in calmer seas, the Inter-Island Steamer Express. And the 6 o'clock steward brought cups of tea around the Inter-Island Steamer Express. The passengers' faces turned faintly green, the manager muttered words obscene, but Joe bogged into porridge and cream on the Inter-Island Steamer Express. The passengers were glad to see Mother Earth from the Inter-Island Steamer Express. As she sailed into Littleton, slid into berth, the Inter-Island Steamer Express. The manager tried to create a commotion about the way he was treated when he sailed on the ocean, but he got the sack and Joe got promotion on the Inter-Island Steamer Express.